Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, Patriots. Kom op, kom op, kom op. Kukurukuku. Kukurukuku. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. As die mense nog wakker raso. As die mense nog wakker raso. Skrik alles het wakker. Skrik alles het wakker. Ons is tussen soos 'n nissen. Ons is binne buite. We not gonna see you later. Ons is hier pres, ek dink die mense is geskok soos wat hulle hier is. Die mense is geskok, hulle sê nog. Die mense is geskok soos wat hulle. Ek is by die huis. Ek is by die huis.
Welcome home, homie.
Ek is by die huis.
We only have us.
Ons is hier. Ek is by die huis.
Toepaslike.
Daar is hy. Daar is hy.
Ek by die huis. Ek by die huis. Ek by die huis. Ons gaan toch jou. Staan. Ons is familie. Hulle stuur net om vir ons plat te maak. Die is hier vir ryerie. Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut. Ons bysa die. Ons bysa die. Charlie bysa die op die einde.
As mos nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot. As mos nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot nie.
30 seconds, né? 30 seconds. I just want to get water because it's important what I'm going to tell you now. 30 seconds, I promise. Just 30 seconds. I'm just going to grab water. And check there's some pizza. Pizza probably got lost. And then I'm just going to grab water. Because what I tell you now, I'm too thirsty. I can't just say it. It is the biggest thing. I'm going to say it and I'm going to sleep. You have to know this. Let me just get water quickly.
Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, Patriots. Kom op, kom op, kom op. Kukurukuku. Kukurukuku. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. As die mense nog wakker raso. As die mense nog wakker raso. Skrik alles het wakker. Skrik alles het wakker. Ons is tussen soos 'n nissen. Ons is binne buite. We not gonna see you later. Ons is hier pres, ek dink die mense is geskok soos wat hulle hier is. Die mense is geskok, hulle sê nog. Die mense is geskok soos wat hulle. Ek is by die huis. Ek is by die huis.
Welcome home, homie.
Ek is by die huis.
We only have us.
Ons is hier. Ek is by die huis. Hoe sê hulle?
We only have us.
Hoe sê hulle? Ek is mos al laaitie. Ons mos gesê ek is al laaitie.
You a child.
Nou sê ek daarom by my pa.
En jou paslike.
Daar is hy. Daar is hy.
Ek by die huis. Ek by die huis. Ek by die huis. Ek by die huis. Ons gaan toch jou. Staan. Ons is familie. Hulle stuur net om vir ons plat te maak. Die is hier vir ryerie. Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut. Ons bysa die. Ons bysa die. Charlie bysa die op die einde.
As mos nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot. As mos nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot nie. Charles kom sê ook hallo. Ons sê hallo hier. Ons is hier, ons is by die huis en Patriots, as 'n ding wat ek wil sê. Is baie maklik om hierdie ding te kyk en allerlei dinge te dink wat die waarheid is. En vanaand wil ek eintlik die waarheid vertel. En ek dink ek moet iets regstel. Ashley, you'll remember in the committee, I almost said Prezi is leading a dictatorial party.
Yes.
A one-man show and all of that. Ek het mos so gesê.
Yes.
But he said something in the committee. Hy het iets gesê wat my binne my siel geslaan het. Ek het nie 'n comeback vir die ding gehad nie. Niks van 'n comeback.
Nee, maar ek wil net neem wat het jy geleek.
Jarr.
Het jy geleek.
Kyk hier, ek het 7 minute gehad. 7 out of 25. Ek het 7 out of 25 gehad. Maar daai ander 18.
Het jy geleek.
Jarr. Man sê, wat sê die act? Ek sê, help my. Maar hy het 'n ding gesê, man. Hy het gesê, you call me a dictator. Jy sê ek is 'n dictator. When your party don't have one colored person as a minister or deputy minister, despite colored people making up the overwhelming majority of the party's vote. Now, when he said that thing, toe hy daai ding gesê het, ek het gesit. As 'n moment wat ek eintlik my hele asem ingesluk het. Like ek's honger van die asem. En toe dit gebeur, toe sê ek nee. Oom Biza, is tyd vir my om aan die huis in te klop. Is tyd vir my om huis toe te kom. Is tyd vir my om uiteindelik te sê, ek Biza nie. En Patriots, ek wil net baie dankie sê, dat julle almal my met liefde aanvaar. Ek is baie, baie dankbaar. Dis die way 'n patriot moet wees. Dis hoe ons is. En ek kan hy liefde voel. Ek het die liefde van Mbiza gevoel. Die liefde van Pres gevoel. Because if there's one person on this earth who had every single right to make sure that I'm not sitting where I'm sitting, it's Pres. I attacked him relentlessly for 3 years. Hom aangeval, 3 jaar.
Now, what made you come? What made you come over? You know? Especially because, I mean, somebody's going to say, you then called that party a dictatorial party. What is it that made you during this time think, yes?
You know, you expect your own to defend you. En ek sit daar en ek is ons in die parlement, ek doen my gedoentes. And I get told, tone it down. Sit stil. Dis jou boksie. Moenie groter as jou boksie wees. I get told that. After Tuesday. The very same people that you expect to defend you is the people that will put a knife in your back and stab you from the front also. Just to say he did it himself. That is why I'm sitting here today. Because I was accepted. It was aanvaar. Met hart en ziel.
The guy who had all the reason.
Every single reason in the world. That man, I almost told you, ek het hom aangeval behoorlik 3 jaar. 3 jaar. 2022 to 2025. As net ek maak geraas. Kyk, dit, dit, kensie, dat. Maar ek is gestuur. Hy sê, jy moet het so maak. Jy moet hom slaan. Jy moet hom slaan. Nobody else. Ek moet hom slaan. Ek, a young colored person, ek moet nou vir nog 'n colored mens sê, nee, ek gaan kry. En Patriots, verkeerd is verkeerd. You can't make a wrong right and you can't make a right wrong when you look at something that is blatantly wrong like that. Because we do believe most in second chances aside.
Yeah, especially him.
Especially him. Especially him.
You got a second chance. And that's really his heart. It's like a genuine thing. His heart. You can do whatever. This is one thing about our president. He's authentic. He's genuine. What you get with him, you get.
And that's
You've
what I told.
experienced that, right?
Yeah.
And the thing about second chances, there's nothing that you can do in this party that will make us hate. Not just you, any patriot. And that's him. It's like he said, he always says if he got a second chance, who is he not to give
Other people.
another second chance?
And
How did you feel when you, as you say, your own party, you told me about an experience that you had with the chief whip of the party.
it's him. He got me in a It was at the CTICC.
Yeah.
And I'm walking to the sitting, and he catches me walking, and he says, tone it down. All of the respect that you were getting, you gaan het verloor, it gaan backfire. And when because we had arranged a meeting, ons het 'n meeting gearrange vir donderdag. Ek sê vir hom, Chief, ons gaan op donderdag praat. Donderdag, so ons 'n meeting op donderdag. Wat sê hy? Ons gaan nie donderdag praat nie. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? Ek, sy kollega, die mens wat hy moet defend. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? En ek sê donderdag, en hy loop en hy sê, is klaar wat het so is. Ons gaat die donderdag meeting. Maak ek my phone oop, en I see, your meeting is cancelled for Thursday. A fair chance, an opportunity to explain my side.
Something that they told you to do.
Yes, something they said, I want to speak to you, arrange. Then they say, on the Thursday, or on the Wednesday, for the Thursday, no, it's cancelled. Of a 2-minute interaction.
And the point is, you have to now shut up. You have to now not get opportunity anymore for something that you did that they told you to do.
Exactly.
But then you wake up now and you see in the media, newspapers are saying, Gaten that you'll be back and all. How did you feel when you saw, instead of him coming and doing the same, instead he tells Patriots and others, don't do what the rest is doing to Liam? How did that make you feel?
As a liar, he's a liar. When I saw that, I saw what a leader is supposed to be. Yeah. I saw compassion. I saw somebody who lead from a place of love, who lead with people in his heart, with people in his mind. That's not immense. En die liefde wat ek gekry het. Yeah. Die ware liefde. Mens kan ons voel as die liefde nie waar is nie. As dit van Kong is, as dit soos hy baksteen van wat jy.
Sek. En dit is warm nou, voel die liefde. Het is so koud soos dit hier nie.
Er is warm, kyk hoe tabby sweet hier so.
You know, there's something else you told me. When
As die nie dubbelganger.
Wat 'n dubbelganger.
Come tell him what is a dubbelganger.
What a dubbelganger.
Come tell him what is a dubbelganger. Is it
as die nie dubbelganger. As iemand as 'n clown.
Oh, so letterlijk is dat gemaakt.
As is zo'n fout, hè? Ja. En sporren is een fout, dat is altijd high sense.
Dat is altijd een baksteen. Maar die een is vervelend en die ander is wilde.
Ik heb een nieuwe phone met pressen mee gekomen. Ik zei nog, wij zijn phone. Kijk hier. Tell me that thing, man. When you are asking, why doesn't Khaled get promoted in the gym?
Yes.
Dit is honger.
Aish!
Hey joh. Word ek sommer
Je wordt gebruikt met kost.
Ja nee.
Hoe
sê hulle? Stomach politics.
Ja, kijk je.
Stomach
Wat op de
politics.
prijs, weet je ook die bord niet.
Dat is stomach politics.
Hier zullen ze betalen, hè. Wat op gebruikt met kost. Hulle is hier niet honger, maar hè.
Baie honger.
Yes.
Kijk.
Pres.
Kom eens zo. Wat gebeurt nou? Nou is ons in Durban. Als we Durban toe komen. Nou kom een Biza uit de Kaap uit. And Biza is coming out of Cape Town. Because Liam, ne? There's some cold drinks and stuff. And ice. Now, some Biza is coming all the way from Cape Town. But it's coming with Liam. Maar niemand moet ons zien, nie, man.
Niemand heeft van mij gezien.
Ja, het is donker.
Undercover. Oh, het is weer die volle dag.
Kijk hier. Dan zit ik in die plane in. En die plane, I'm telling you a true story. As die hele EFF Malema, dat is deputy, Kadi, Charles, myself, Biza, Liam. En die helft door die parlement is dat die mensen beginnen te kijken. Hou dat of niet? Je gezien? Die jongens hier, man. Die jongens hier. Patriot, let me tell you something. You know? And that is from the bottom of my heart. You know, when Liam made contact with us, he said something. He said, I'm coming. I don't care if you guys want me to open the gate, the PA, if you guys want me to wash cars. Ek kan nie my mense beklei nie, man. You know, for me, when he said that, ek kan nie my mense beklei nie. Ek kan nie my mense beklei nie. Ek gee nie om nie, wat hulle gaan doen my nie, or whether I'm going to wash cars or thing. Ek kom PA toe, waar kan ek gaan klere koop? Ek gaan daar beteer en hulle gaan koop by hulle. Ek dink ook die gaan koop, jy gaan vir jou bring. Maar as ek vir hom sê, ek gaan koop, hulle word ook koop die klere. But I want to say to you from the bottom of my heart, you know, we believe in young talent. We believe in grooming people to become the best version of themselves. Yeah, no, please sit, it's fine. As you hear all the time, then it's a spooky day.
You say cookie? I don't say it's
But with us here, you're home, I can promise you, the Patriots, they will treat you with all the love. You'll see when you go and work in Ward 34, daar word jy reg graf gehoor. Jy moet terug gaan by die graf.
Kan ek 'n vars graf kry?
Ja, asseblief. Bradley.
Ja, geroestel.
Ja, bring 'n vars graf. But what I want to say to you is that you are home. Yes, you're home. Let me tell you, we will never turn against you here. Never. I'm saying this on a life. My people know loyalty is everything to us. Love for each other is everything. We're just a family, man. We're just a family. If one makes a mistake, we help each other. And I can tell you, keeping this secret was very hard. Yo, people are like, but the funny part is now, my protectors, my security team, is picking me up at the lounge, at the minister's lounge. So I said, let's go around, let's go and get pizza. So we go around to the airport to find pizza. So pizza comes with Liam. One of the security guys, one of the security personnel says, is dit daai jong dierie? Ek vra, ek hou my dom man. Ek vra, wat jong? Daai fucking jong man. Charles Barth is waar die lag. Hy het toe lag ek ook man, hè. Loop op sy die kant sien sê. Ja, maar hulle keer man, die man se mag is so swak. Die was amper die hele kar bekat. Now let me tell you, Liam is genuine. He's home. He can tell you stories about, they're gonna accuse him of everything. But you see, there's a saying that says the wise man changes his mind. There's so many people of the DA that speak to me and they've got 10 million questions. Yeah, I want to come, but this is what I want. I want to make sure this. This young man came and he said, as my car was with the PA, ek kom huis toe. And you know, he touched me and he says, no, ek is nie van geld nie. Ek het bietjie gespaar, wat ek daar gewerk het. Ek werk 'n jaar raak het gespaar, maar sê vir my, maar ek kom huis toe. Ons het jou nodig hier as die PA. Hy sê, maar die mense nie. Ek sê, jy ken nie die Patriots nie. Hy mense, jy ken nie die mense nie. Hulle liefde. Hy mense gaan jou defend. Patriots staan sterk. Maak die honde los môre. Dat hulle gaan kom vir ons. Ons is reg. Hulle gaan kom kry, die honde is reg. Ons honde is nie vas nie. Ons honde is los. En om pizza. Yes. Thank you. Om pizza. Jy was die man wat die tussenganger was tussen ek en Liam. Jy is die man wat ek vertrou het om te sê, go talk to him, go say this. I mean, like, I just saw you in the live now when I was inside the room. Liesel Pennington. She was like saying, welcome home. No, that here as Liesel's one far. As Liesel.
How do you know Liesel Pennington?
No, but I told you the funny story, ne? So I said, Eugene, can you speak to you? He says, about what? I said, I just need you to make sure that.
Kijk net hoe morgens, Charles. Ik moet zeggen, jullie moeten zien hoe morgens die wit mensen hier. En ik wil net tot haar gaan. Kijk hoe morgens die wit mensen hier.
It's a crime scene. Ja, kan hulle ook nie reg eet nie. Kan hulle nie... You know what I like, nee? Daarom is die bloed nou op die vloer en nie teen die muur nie. Because that is most what we do.
Yes.
You know? It's not anymore of fighting each other. Is nie weer hy van ons beklei teen mekaar nie. Ons beklei nie
Kan die
weer.
Petrus hoor, het die speaker toegemaak nie. Ja, die hy sê.
Sê hy bak.
Jy moet so hou.
Ek hom so.
Ja. So Petrus, Liam is by die huis. Kom julle huis toe mense, Here, hulle weet wat gaan daar aan man. Hulle weet dat.
Kom.
Sê op met die mense wat gaan daar aan.
You said you spoke to Eugene.
Oh yeah, I want to tell you about Eugene. That was the funniest part. Charles is already laughing. So now I'm telling Eugene, I said, Eugene, can you just check for me if with the issue of Liam, ne? He says, we're back there again. I said, no, I want you to check. Get his CV and check what degree does he have so we can see where we can slot him in. He's like, slot him where? So I had to trust Eugene and tell him. So after I told Eugene, he says, maar die leven is maar snacks, joh. Ja, ik had gisteren met die jong bedleef vandaag.
Only in the beer.
Only the PA.
Only
The SG. Well, she obviously she has to know. Is the SG. Maar die SG bly my bel. Het is amper 12 uur. Wanneer begin zo live? Wanneer begin zo live? Ik zeg, SG, ze daar gekend, man. So, Petrus, ik wil even willen zeggen, dankie. Liam is bij de huis. Hier ga je zien, man. Ombiza.
Yes, sir.
Ja, Ombiza, weet. Ik zie dat als je mij bel, je stem. Dat ik gewoon iets druk met
Ek sê
Welcome home,
maar,
man.
as big brother nie.
Welcome
My
home.
groot broer die. Ja,
Welcome home.
I don't know how to say. Ek is baie gelukkig. So wat ek hier sit, staan die smile van hier tot hier. Ek is klaar gesmile. My wange is laat seer, my kieste is seer van die gesmilery. Yes.
You know what makes me happy?
What?
That the plan that they've always had, I feel like die tyd het aangebreek dat ons breek nou die plan. Die plan dat ons altyd mekaar moet beklei. Ons het al leer wat ons by mekaar bring. Ons is die generation.
Ja, je hoor van.
Wat die mense, wat onze mensen, onze hele land bij elkaar brengen. So, Patriots, we love you. He's onze kind. He's by the huis. Honorable Chief Hope Marlon Daniels, you were right. Tell him.
This is where I say om te sê, ek is nou by pa's huis.
You were right. He's a child, but now he's pa's a kind.
Daar sê. And that's why I say, hoe lyk hulle? Ma's se kind.
Moenie bijstaan nie.
Nie baie nie. Ons baie is nooit hier so nie.
Ons bijstaan nooit hier. Ons kom met Liam. Ek kom ons voorbij toe. Gaan nie naby Watery voor. Nelson Mandela by. Gaan die Drakensberg toe. Ek het hom gesê, ek het nog nie liefde gevoel. Ek sê liefde voel as hy daar kom. As die Landela op die gronde van Mosselby en die EG sal hom môre lyn gee. But hy saam met ons. Much respect, Liam. Ne? Thank you so much for your trust. We are together. No matter what they say about you, God knows who you are.
Thank you, please.
And you've given your all, man. He's no peer, he's brace. He defends ons iemand se kan. Salut.
Salut.
Ek hoor die mense dit sê bye.
Sorry.
Patriots. Waar is die hoofkykers, man?
Come on, brother.
See, this is genuineness. Check here. Check there. Check there. So, Patriots het gehoor. Wat gaan vir wat? Let us thank you for waking up or staying awake until 12 o'clock. Charles, are you okay? So thank you for being who you are. I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys and may God bless you and we are all that we have. So the guys, they're still fighting us. Los Marai, man. Los Marai, ons is together here. We are together. we have shown people. I'm very emotional because I can't be the leader of the party forever. We need to bring up young people to come and take over. You know, this boy just, like, he's very emotional inside there now. You know, and I say boy respectfully because he's a young man. Very smart. Thank you, Patriots. Let's build our people. Laat ons die mense gaat haal. Laat ons die mense gaat haal. Laat ons die mense... Laat ons die Patriots... Die Patriots moet warm voel hier, man. I want to thank you guys. SG, thank you for the way you handle this thing. Thank you, SG. And to everybody, as jy nie bly is vandag, aan jy eintlik die toornaar. Let me someone get that one out quickly. You know, you have to understand the Patriotic Alliance, man. We explained to him the PA. You will never find me taking the PA. Even if I'm angry with Patriots. Because ek verstaan, these was the kinders se toekoms. This is our children's dream. Love you guys. I do. And thank you. I don't want to keep you any longer, but I'm so excited, eh? They were so hungry, they couldn't even sit at the restaurant to eat. They came all the way in. I'm sorry, I can only feed them sandwiches at this time of the night. Otherwise, with those vlees bakken, goed as was I. Yeah, Patriots, you don't understand, eh? Kijk voor Zayn. Zayn kyk jy live my is hier. Ha, staat Zayn. Zayn kyk jy live my is hier. Hy is op sy phone. Hy kyk jy live. Zayn, you guys ate already, ne? Did you guys eat? Yeah. You sure? Alright, so. Is dit ook voor? Yeah. So, Patriots, thank you very much. We will have a future life. We will tell other things, but I wanted you guys to know this. The reason why we said midnight, because we knew the flights to get where we're going to meet will only be in the middle of the night. We just came like 30 minutes ago. We are in Durban. 30 minutes ago we came. So thank you, man. I love you guys. All my heart. And we had to make it 12 o'clock. They came all the way from Cape Town. There was no flight from Cape Town to Durban. We had to go from Cape Town, Joburg, Durban. I love you guys, man. This is big for the Patriotic Alliance. He's home. Don't even worry what. He is home. That's the most important thing. The prodigal son is home. There's a leader in that young man. We must nurture him. And not only Liam, there's many of you. There's leaders in you. We must nurture you. We can't be forever leaders. We must nurture leaders.